Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Faiz Ashraf and welcome to the Internet of Things and Application. All right, in this course, we're going to have uh, an overview or introductions to Internet of Things, which includes the hardware part of the IoTs, and we're going to look at the types of typical hardware that we can use to develop our own IoT devices, such as Node MCU, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and so on. And then we're going to look at on how we're going to program this hardware. Uh, that's why you're going to look at the software, and also some of us call it as a firmware of the IoT devices, because most of the IoT devices we call it as embedded systems. So you're going to have experience. You're going to experience on how to program these devices. And then we're going to look at the DMPs. The DMPs stands for data management platform, such as ThinkSpeak, right? This is something that you may heard before. This is where the software platform in the internet where we used to manage our data from our IoT devices, right? So the MP is able to manage not just one or two devices, but thousands or maybe hundreds of thousands of IoT devices around the world, right? So we're going to experience on how to use the DMP. And towards the end of this course, we're going to learn how to use these systems, the IoT system, for certain applications, right? For example, we're going to have a flood monitoring system. How we're going to use the right sensors, the right uh, connectivity between the IoT devices, and also the gateway and the connectivity from the gateway to the internet. Right, so I hope in this course you are exposed to these sort of things, and during this course we're going to have both lectures, and also we're going to have a practical work. So which means in for the lectures we're going to have a full online, uh, where I'm going to post my video lectures and also materials from the other universities and from other researchers out there. So basically the lectures is going to full online, and the practical we're going to have a sort of a hybrid, right? Which means most of the instructions I will post it online too, but some part of the laboratory you may need to come to the labs, or you may need to meet me lah, where I can instruct you or show you the hardware part of the practical lah. So for the practical, you guys going to have two types of practical activities, which is the PBL, problem-based laboratory. For PBL, you're going to be given a set of problems and a set of instrument or tools on how to solve the problems, right? So so basically it's just like your practical lab, but it more, you have to think on how to solve it, not just follow the lab sheets, right? The other one is what we call as a POPBL. This is a problem or project oriented problem based learning. So basically it's actually a project. The only difference between this and your regular project, for project oriented PBL, you're going to have reporting throughout the project phase. For example, on the first phase, I will need you guys to submit me a proposal on what kind of the applications that you want for the IoT system. Alright, so you're going to write a simple proposal and submit it to me, and I'm going to evaluate the proposal and maybe give ideas on how to make your project better, and then you're going to proceed with your project based on the proposal. And we have a certain sort of phase that you need to show me your progress. So the difference between project and also POPBL is about the progress, not just about the end products. All right. I hope you guys are not intimidated by the course. I hope you guys keep motivated and also keep updated with any instructions or any announcement from me on our WhatsApp group and also the Google Classroom. I hope to see you guys doing well throughout this semester, and stay safe, stay strong, and also see you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.